So as the initial step, you have to go to start menu, go to setting, go to the network and internet. You can see now it is connected to the Wi-Fi. Again go to system section, scroll down and come to the troubleshoot option. Tap on other troubleshooters, scroll down and find network adapter option, tap on run. This will check and detect the network adapter related issues. Once it is done, you can select Ethernet, Wi-Fi or other all network adapters, then now to tap on next. Once it is done, you can go with further steps. Now you need to restart your computer. Just go to start menu, go to power and restart your computer. While it is restarting, you have to unplug the router, wait for 30 seconds and then plug back in. It will refresh the network hardware and resolve the connectivity issues. And in the taskbar, go to the Wi-Fi icon. Make sure flight mode is turned off and Wi-Fi is turned on like this. Then again right click on your start menu, go to device manager. Double tap on your network adapters. Right click on your driver, tap on update driver and tap on search automatically for drivers. If it is not working, choose the second option and choose this option. Select your driver, tap on next. And if also not working, right click on it, tap on uninstall device, tap on uninstall, and once you are done with that, restart your computer. And again right click on your start menu, go to device manager, double tap on network adapters, select your driver, right click on it, go to properties, go to power management option, untick the allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, untick this one, tap on OK. Okay, now you need to go to start menu and go to setting, go to the network and internet section, scroll down and come to the advanced network setting, tap on network reset option, tick the reset now option. This will restart your computer and reset your network. Again come to the search bar, search for CMD, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. First you need to type ipconfig /flush DNS, hit enter. Next you need to type netsh int ip reset and hit enter. Finally netsh winsock reset, hit enter and restart your computer. As the final step, you can check your router firmware, it is up to date, and connect your hardware related issues. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.